this is the last part of my photobook review series. I'll be reviewing a photo book from Photobook Express. This company usually promote their products during exhibits. I bought their package in Santec City during PC show. They will give you a CD for you to download the software. This is the CD. Okay, I'll show you the package that I bought from them. It cost me around 276 Singapore dollars. It's 2 hardcovers and 2 soft covers. These are the vouchers. So the base price for hardcover is 188 and the soft cover is 98 Singapore dollars. So these 2 vouchers are already used. So per book cost me around 70 Singapore dollars, which I personally think cheap for the quality of the book. Now this is 11.5 soft cover, 11 by 8.5 soft cover landscape. The standard page is 48 pages. Here's an A4 size bond paper. So I just want to show you how big is the book. Okay. The cover is case wrapped with archival quality photo paper, coated with protective glossy laminate. Each page are glossy, which I really like because the photos, they just pop. It's very vibrant, and I like the result really. As you can see here, I'm sorry about the light, it's really glossy, but as you can see here are some samples of the pictures. As you can see, the pictures just pop. They also have backgrounds. You can also add text. For this one, I choose not to put so much backgrounds because I wanted my photos to pop. So the photos are really vibrant. Aside from the fact that my camera, I set it in the setting is in vibrant mode. This is Genting Highlands. Okay. It's really glossy. Okay. So the paper is 200 GSM acid-free premium art paper. Additional page costs 150 Singapore dollars for the soft cover and $2 for the hardcover. Maximum pages for both books is 160 pages. So unlike Photobook Mart and Photobook Singapore, the maximum page is 300 pages. Website, they also have tracking system. They also have tutorial. It is easy to surf. It is easy to understand, but the website needs there's a lot that needs improvement. They also have spine printing. For this one, the texts are not in the middle. It's actually my fault. Yeah. Here. Software is similar to Photobook Singapore. It's just that some functions in the Photobook Singapore software are not in Photobook Express. You cannot create proof, and you cannot the website also doesn't have ready books, or you cannot view some photo books that are submitted by the customers, but it's really easy to use. Customer support and service are good. They emailed and called me that my book is ready for pickup. The delivery is considerably fast, 5 working days. They are also using DHL courier service. Print, as I've said, the pictures are really vibrant. and it just popped. I really like the glossy finish. I know some people prefers matte finish. Some don't like to look at photos that reflects so much light, just like this one. Conclusion, I am very satisfied with my photo books, especially the hardcover photo book. It was excellent. If you want your photo book that is not glossy, then you might want to try Photobook Singapore and Photobook Mart. Although these companies also have glossy finish books, which I have not tried yet. If you're like me who likes glossy photo book, then Photobook Express is worth a try. But I think they also have matte finish. I'm not so sure. But maybe try to visit their website for more information. Getting the package is much cheaper than buying individual books. There you have it. If you have any questions, just drop a comment. If you haven't, this video is really long, so bear with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please also visit my blog. It's www.do8yourself.blogspot.com .sg. Sorry. Be inspired, be motivated. Till then, guys, see you in my next video. Goodbye.